Question here, if f of x is equal to the matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, then show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Okay, which is asked in a Karnataka PU board, March 2020. It is a 3 marks question here. Okay, so take your solution. So f of x into f of y is equal to, okay, left side here, f of x into f of y. So f of x is the given matrix here. Okay, so cos x minus of sin x, and this is 0 here. Then sin x cos x and 0, then 0, 0, 1 here. Okay, it is f of x here. And f of y means just replace x by y here. Okay, therefore into the matrix cos y, cos of y minus sin y and 0 here, then sin y, then cos y 0 here, then 0, 0 and 1 here. Okay, so this is f of x and this is the f of y. Therefore you know the multiplication of two matrices here. Okay, so multiplication of two matrices means multiply row with the column here. Okay, therefore you take this row, take a first row, multiply with the first column here, multiply with the first column. Okay, so cos x multiply with the cos y, cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y, minus sin x into sin y. Okay, so here, sorry, cos x into cos y becomes cos xy, cos x into cos y, minus sin x into sin y, minus of sin x into sin y. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0, so plus 0. Okay, next multiply this first row with the second column here. So this is the second column. Okay, multiply with this here, cos x into minus sin y here. So minus of cos x sin y, cos x sin y, then minus sin x into cos y here, minus of sin x into cos y, into cos y. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0 here. So right here plus 0. Then multiply this row with the third column here. Multiply with the third column here. Cos x into this 0 here. Cos x into 0 becomes 0. So right here 0. Minus sin x into 0 becomes 0 here. So plus 0. Okay. Then 0 into 1 becomes 0. So plus 0. Multiply row with a column here. Okay. Next multiply this second row now. Take this second row. Multiply second row with the first column here. Sin x into cos y here. So sin x cos y, cos x into sin y. So middle plus sign here. Cos x into sin y, cos x into sin y. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. So right here plus 0. Okay. Now take this second row with the second column here. Okay. Sin x into minus sin y, minus of sin x sin y here. Sin x sin y. Then cos x into cos y. So middle plus sign here, cos x into cos y. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. So right here plus 0. Now we take a second row with the third column here. Okay, sin x into 0 is a 0. So write here 0. Middle plus sign here. Cos x into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Then 0 into 1 becomes a 0. So right here plus 0. Okay. Then take this third row here. This is a third row. Multiply this third row with a column here. Okay. So 0 into cos y becomes a 0. It is a 0 plus 0 into sin y becomes a 0. So it is a 0 plus 1 into 0 is a 0 here. It is a 0 here. Okay, then multiply third row with the second column now. 0 into sin y is a 0 here. So write here 0. Then a plus here. 0 into cos y becomes a 0. So it is a 0 plus 1 into 0 is a 0. So it is a 0. Now take a third row with the third column here. 0 into 0 becomes a 0 here. So write here 0. Then a plus. Then a 0 into this 0 becomes a 0 here. So plus 1 into 1 becomes 1. So write here 1. So bracket complete now. Okay, bracket complete. Therefore this is equal to, okay, in a trigonometry there is one formula here. Okay, so cos of x plus y. Cos x plus y is what? Cos x cos y minus of sin x sin y is the one formula. Similarly, sin of x plus y is sin x cos y minus plus here plus cos x into sin y. These are the formulas here. Okay, so cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. These are the trigonometry formulas here. So look at cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So it is a cos of x plus y. So write here cos of x plus y. Okay. Then here if you take a minus common factor here, if you take a minus common here, what happens here? If you take minus common here, then a cos x sin y, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y here, sin x cos of y. Okay, you are taking a minus common factor from here. Then sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So look here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is what here? Sin of x plus y. Therefore, this is a minus of sin x plus y. Therefore, so this becomes total. This becomes a minus of sin x plus y. Okay, and this becomes a 0 here. Total this term is 0. So right here 0. Next here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y using this. So sin of x plus y here. It is a sin of x plus y. And here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is what? Cos of x plus y. Hence it is a cos of x plus y. And again this becomes a 0. Total this term is a 0. Okay, so write here 0. Then sum of these three terms is a 0. Sum of these three terms is a 0. And here remaining is 0 plus 0 is a 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 here. So this is a 1 here. Okay. Therefore f of x into f of y is this matrix here. Okay, just observe here. Here f of x is this matrix here. Okay, means here there is always the x here. F of y taken as here the terms as y here. Just observe here. Here each term containing x plus y. Obviously this is what here. Total this is equal to, you can write here f of x plus y. So f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Here this is a required result here. Okay. So here each term containing x plus y here. So total this matrix can be written as f of x plus y here. So LHS is equal to RHS here. So these are very important formula from the trigonometry. Okay, remember it here. It is a 3 marks question asked in a Karnataka PU board March 2020. Okay, in this example, prove that LHS is not is equal to RHS here. Okay, because here matrix A, this is matrix B here, and this is matrix B and this is matrix A here. So AB is not is equal to BA. So commutative property not satisfying here. We have to prove that result here. First, write left side product of the matrix here, and you know how to multiply the matrices here. Again multiply row with the column here. Okay, multiply this row with the column. This is a column here. Okay, 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. 2 into 0 is a 0. So plus 0. 3 into 2 becomes a 6. Plus 6 here. Okay, multiply row with the column. Multiply first row with the second column here. Multiply with the second column. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. 3 into 3 becomes a 9 here. Plus 9. Okay. Then multiply row with the column here. Third column. Take up the third column here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Then 2 into 1 becomes a 2 plus 2. Then 3 4s are 12 here. So plus 12 here. Okay. Then take a second row here. Take the second row. This row. Multiply second row with the first column here. 0 into minus 1 becomes a 0. So this is 0 here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0. 0 into 2 becomes a 0 here. So plus a 0. Okay. Then multiply second row with the second column here. 0 into 1 becomes a 0. 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. 0 into 3 becomes a 0 here. So plus a 0. Then multiply second row with the third column here. 0 into 0 becomes a 0 here. This is a 0. 1 into 1 becomes 1 plus 1 here. Then 0 into 4 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Then take the third row here. Third row. Multiply with the first column here. 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. 1 into 0 is a 0 here. Plus a 0. 0 into 2 becomes a 0 is a 0 here. Okay. Multiply third row with the second column here. 1 into 1 is 1. So write here 1. 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. 0 into 3 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Multiply third row with the third column here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. So this is a 0 here. Then 1 into 1 becomes 1 plus 1. 0 into 4 becomes a 0 here. So this is 0. Okay. So now simplify here. So this is equal to the matrix here. Matrix 6 minus 1 becomes a 5. This is a 5. 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 2 becomes a 8 here. So write here 8. Then 12 plus 2 becomes a 14. So this is a 14 here. Then 0 here. So this is 0. Then minus 1. So write here minus 1. Then plus 1 here. So write here 1. Then here minus of 1. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. And here is a 1 here. Okay. So this is a LHS here. You are taking LHS here. Therefore, take this one as LHS. LHS is equal to this one. Okay. Now RHS here. Take these two matrices here. So this is equal to, so multiply row with the column here. Take this row. Multiply with the first column here. Okay. So minus 1 into 1 becomes a minus of 1 here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0. 0 into 1 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Multiply first row with the second column here. Okay. Minus 1 into 2 becomes a minus of 2 here. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 here. 0 into 1 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Then minus 1 into 3 becomes a minus of 3 here. 1 into 0 is a 0 plus a 0. 0 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0. Multiply first with the third column here. Okay. Now take here second row. Okay. So 0 into 1 becomes a 0. Minus 1 into 0 becomes a 0 here plus a 0. 1 into 1 becomes 1 plus 1 here. 0 into 2 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Minus 1 into 1 is a minus of 1 here. 1 into 1 becomes 1 plus 1. Then 0 into 3 becomes a 0. Then minus 1 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Then 1 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0. Then take care of third row here. 2 into 1 becomes a 2. 3 into 0 is a 0. 4 into 1 is a 4 plus a 4 here. 2 into 2 becomes a 4. 3 into 1 plus a 3 here. 4 into 1 is a 4 plus a 4 here. Then 2 3s are 6. So write here 6. 3 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Then 4 into 0 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Okay. Now simplify. So this is equal to, it is a minus of 1 here. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1. Then it is a minus of 3 here. So write here minus 3. Then here 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels here. It is a 0 here. Then it is a 0. Then 2 plus 4 becomes a 6. 4 plus 4 8. Plus 3 11 here. So it is 11. Then it is a 6 here. Okay. Just observe these two matrices here. Both are not equal here. Therefore, we can write here LHS is not is equal to RHS here. LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. Here, just like a previous example here, we prove LHS is not equal to RHS here. It is just like A into B and it is a B into A. A into B is not is equal to B into A. Means a commutative property not satisfied under the matrix multiplication here. This is a homework for you. Just do in your home.